Hello student. Uh, in previous lecture we studied alphabet series. In this lecture we are going to study a number series. Okay. Uh, in number series of term we have to find the term given in a particular order in the series. Okay. uh, we must study the given series with the identification of the pattern followed in the series, and after that if we find the correct pattern of the question, then we can choose the correct alternatives which are given to us in the tests. Okay. So let us start with the simple patterns, that is the natural number series pattern. Okay. In this natural number series pattern we can easily identify these natural numbers are in ascending order, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. In this number series we can easily identify that these numbers are natural numbers, and here we can add the first number plus 1, we will get the second number, then we add the plus 1, we will get the third number. So this pattern follows in this first number series, that is natural number series. Okay. Now here is the second pattern. Here is the second pattern of even number. So natural numbers mean are contains by even numbers and odd numbers. Even numbers and odd numbers. So in this pattern, the second example, we can easily identify these numbers are in order of plus 2 pattern. Okay. These all numbers are even numbers, that is 2 4 6 8 10 12 and so on. Okay. So we can easily identify the even number series. Third number series is the odd number series. Odd number series, that is 1 3 5 7 9 11 15 17 21 23. These all are odd numbers. Okay. We can easily identify a number series. Even number plus 2, we can if we add 2 in the even number, we can the product is even number. If we add 2 in odd number, the product is odd number. So and so on, this pattern follows of plus 2. Okay. In this example there is a pattern of prime numbers. Okay. All these numbers are prime numbers. 2 3 5 7 11 13 17, all these numbers are prime numbers. Okay. In this example, that is the fourth example, there is square number series. Okay. Square number series means the the numbers are given are square numbers, that is 4 9 16 25 36 49. All these are square numbers, means the first 4 is a square number of 2, 9 is a square number of 3, 16 is a square number of 4, 25 is a square number of 5, and so on. So this series pattern is square number pattern. Okay. So the next series is the even numbers square series. Even number square series. So the numbers are given in this example is 4 16 36 64 100 144 196, etc. Okay. So the 4 is a square number of 2, 16 is a square number of 4, 36 is a square number of 6. So 2 3 2 4 6 8, these numbers are even numbers. Okay. So in this pattern, we can easily find that the square number of even numbers. The next pattern is the odd number square. Okay, odd numbers are such as the first number is 1 square is 1, 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25, 7 square is 49, and so on. Okay, so in this example we can find the pattern of odd number square. Next example is triangular number series. Okay, in this we can easily identify that the numbers are triangular numbers, that is 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28, and etc. Okay, so first we must learn by heart these triangular number series. The next series of numbers is the even number square plus 1 series. Means the even number. So look at the first number, that is 5. 5 is a square near to the square number, that is 4. Okay, if we add 1 in the square number, that is 4 is a square number of 2. So the 2 square plus 1. Okay, the 2 square is 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Okay, the first number is 5. Then in the second second number is 17. Second number is 17. The next even number to the 2 is 4. Okay, the next even number to the 2 is 4. So 4 square is equal to 16. Then we add plus 1. So the answer comes here 17, the second number. Okay. In the next number is 37. 37 means the square number of 6 is equal to 36. Okay, we added 1 to 36, we get the answer, that is 37. So here is the pattern that is followed in this example is even number square plus 1. Okay, even number square plus 1. In the next example, there is a pattern of odd number square plus 1 series. Okay, odd number square means which numbers? In the first number is 10. 10 means we can say it is a square number of 3, that is 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Okay, the second number is 26. The second number is 26. The next odd number is 5. The square number of 5 is 25. If we add 1, then we will get the answer of 26. So on, that is 50. 50 means the next odd number is 7. So the square number of 7 is 49 plus 1 is we can get answer of that number is 50. Okay, so in this we can easily identify the pattern of odd number square plus 1 series. Okay, the next pattern is in the next series there is a prime number square plus 1 series. So the first prime number is 2. Okay, so the square number of 2 is 4 plus 1, we get the answer, that is 5. Okay, the second number, that is 10. Okay, the second prime number is 3. Okay, square number of 3 is 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So we get the second number. Okay, the third number is third prime number is 5. The square number of 5 is 25 plus 1, we get the answer 26. So in this example we can easily find that the pattern of series is the prime number square plus 1. Okay, so in the next example, the next example is the pattern is natural number square minus 1. So here is the minus 1 pattern. Okay, the natural number, that is here the first number is 15. Okay, so it is minus 1 number is 15. So if we add 1 in 15, that is 16. Okay, so the 16 is a square number of 4. So 4 square is 16 minus 1, we get the answer, that is 15. Okay, the second number is 24. So 24 means if we add 1 in 24, we get the square number, that is 25. So 5 square is equal to 25 minus 1, we get the answer, the second number, that is 24. So on these this pattern followed in this series, that is the natural number square minus 1. Okay, in the next example, the pattern is odd number square minus 1. Odd number square means the first number is 15. Okay, the odd number is 3. Okay, the square number of 3 is 9 minus 1, we will get the answer, that is 8. Okay, this is the first number, that is 8 is the answer of square number, that is 3. Okay, but here also the second 8 we can see in the next example. The first number is 15. So the next number is 5 square, that is 25 minus 1, we will get the answer, that is 24. Okay, in this number series, the 15 is a wrong term. Okay, 15 is a wrong term. The square number of 5 is an odd term. We get the square number, that is 25 minus 1 is equal to 24. Okay, the 15 is an odd term. The second number is 80. We can easily identify that the square number of 9 is 81. 81 minus 1 is equal to 80. Okay, in this pattern we can easily identify that that is the odd number square minus 1. Okay, so the next example is the triangular number square minus 1. Okay, in these numbers we can easily find that the square number of 0 is 0. So the first answer here we get 0. The next triangular number minus 1 is the triangular number is 10. Okay, the triangular number is 10. So so in the first pattern, that is the first triangular number is 1. Okay, if we find that the first triangular number is 1, so the square number of 1 is 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. We get the first answer, that is 0. Okay, the second number is 8. The second number is 8. The second triangular number is 3. So the square number of 3 is 9, and 9 minus 1 is equal to, we get second number, that is 8. Okay, the third number is 35. 35 means we can easily identify the third number, that is the square number, triangular square number is 6. Okay, 6 square is equal to, we get the answer 36 minus 1, that is 35. Okay, the next is 99. Okay, the next is next number is 99. So the fourth triangular number is 10. So the square of 10 is 100 minus 1, we get this answer, that is 99. So the pattern here we find that the triangular number square minus 1. Okay, so the next example is even number square minus 1. Even number square minus 1. Okay, so even number square means minus 1 means the near, if we add 1 in 15, we get the answer, that is 16. So 16 is the square number of 4. So the 4 square is equal to 16 minus 1, that is 15. Okay, the next number is 35. So if we add 1 in 35, that is 36. So 36 is a square number of 6. So if we minus 1, subtract 1 from 36, we get the answer, that is 35. So here we can easily identify the pattern, that is the even number square minus 1. Okay, so the next pattern, that is natural number square plus natural number. So the square of the natural numbers, the square means if we look at the first number, the natural number, that is 1 square plus natural number, that is 1. Okay, 1 if 1 square is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Here we get the first answer, that is 2. Okay. The next number, that is 6. The next number, natural number, is 2. Okay. If we find the square number of 2 is 4, and then we add the number itself, that is 2, we get the answer, that is 6. Okay. Here is the, so in this number series we can easily understood the pattern, that is the natural number square plus natural number. Okay. The third number is 12. Okay, the third number is 12. So the third number is 3. 3 square 9 plus 3 we get the answer 12. So the pattern here follows, that is the natural number square plus natural number itself, we get the answer. So this is the pattern that follows in this number series. The next example is even number square. The next example is even number square plus even number. Okay, even number square plus even number. So the first even number is 2 square, that is 4, plus 2, we get answer, that is 6. Okay. So the next example is, that is next even number is 4. Okay, the square number of 4 is 16, and after that we add the even number itself, that is 4, we get the answer here 20. Okay. So after that 4, the next even number is 6, so the square of 6 is 36, and if we add 6 in this 36, we get the answer, that is 42. Okay. So here we get the pattern that follows, that is even number square plus even number, we get the we can easily understand the pattern that follows in these numbers. Okay. Next number is odd number square plus odd number. Okay, previously we saw the even number square plus even number, so here is the odd number. The first odd number is 1. Okay, the square of 1 is 1 plus 1 itself, we get the answer, that is 2. Here is 2. Okay. The next number, that is next odd number is 3. Okay, the square of 3 is 9, and then we add 3 itself, we get answer 12, the next number. Okay. The third one is, third odd number is 5, so the square of 5 is 25 plus number itself, that is 5, we get the answer, that is 30. Okay. So here we can easily identify that the pattern follows in this series is odd number square plus odd number. Okay. Next number, next series, that is prime number square plus prime number. Okay. The first prime number is 2. Okay. So the square number of 2 is 4 plus prime number, that is 2 itself, if we add, we get the first number, that is 6. Okay. So the next digit is 12. Okay, the next number is 12. The next prime number is 3. Okay, the square number of 3 is 9, and we add the prime number, that is 3, in the 9, we get the answer, that is 12. The next number is 12. Okay, the next number of the next prime number is 5. So the square number of 5 is 25, plus we add prime number 5 itself, then we get the answer, that is the third digit, that is 30. Okay, so here we can identify the pattern, that is prime number square plus prime number. Okay, so the next example is triangular number square plus triangular number. Okay, the first triangular number is 1. So the square number of 1 is 1. If we add this number 1 itself, we get the answer, that is 2. Okay, the next example is, that is the next example, the next triangular number is 3. So the square number of 3 is 9. We add 3 itself, we get the second answer, that is 12. Okay, the third triangular number is 6. So the square number of 6 is 36. We add 6 itself, that is 6, we get the answer, that is 42. Okay, so in this we can easily identify the pattern is triangular number square plus triangular number. So the next example is natural number square minus natural number. Till this example we see the addition. Now in this example the pattern is the natural number square minus natural number. So the first natural number is 1. The square of 1 is 1 minus number itself, that is 1, we get the answer 0. So the first is 0. The next number is 2. Okay, the next natural number is 2. The square of 2 is 4 minus 2, we get the answer, that is 2. The third number is 6. So how can we find the 6? The next natural number is 3. Okay, the next natural number is 3. So the square of 3 is 9. Okay, minus the number itself, that is 3, we get the answer, that is 6. Okay, so here we can easily identify the pattern of natural number square minus natural number. Okay, so the next example is even number square minus even number. So the even number square, the first even number is 2. The square of 2 is 4 minus 2, we get the answer, that is 2, the first number. Okay, the second even number is 4. Square of 4 is 16. The number itself, subtraction 4, we get the answer, that is 12. Okay, the next answer is 30. So what is the next even number after 4? We get the next even number is 6. So the square number of 6 is 36 minus 6 itself, we get the answer, that is 30. Okay, so here is the pattern. we can easily identify that the even number square minus even number. So the number the next pattern is here, odd number square minus odd number. So the first odd number, that is 1. Okay, square of 1 is 1, minus 1 we get the answer, that is 0. Okay, the next number is 6. Okay, how will get number 6? The next odd number is 3. Square of 3 is 9. Okay, minus number itself, that is 3, we get answer, that is 6. Okay, the third odd number is 5. The square of 5 is 25, minus number itself, that is 5, we get the answer 20. Okay, so the pattern here follows, that is the odd number square minus odd number. Okay, the next example is the prime number square minus prime number. Okay, the prime number square minus prime number, the first prime number is 2. Okay, this is the only even prime number. Okay, the square number of 2 is 4, minus 2, we get answer 2. Okay, the next prime number is 3. Okay, the square number of 3 is 9, minus prime number, that is 3, we get the answer 6. Okay, the next prime number is 5. The square number of 5 is 25, minus 5, we get answer of 20. So the next prime number, that is 30. Okay, the one prime number, that is 13. 13. So the square of 13 is 169, minus 13, we get the answer, that is 156. Okay, 156. So in these examples, in these basic examples, we saw some patterns that follows in these examples. So which type of, you first note down the number and series, and then follow the pattern. Okay, the first pattern is natural number series, second is even number series, third one is odd number series, fourth one is prime number series, next is square number series. Okay, next is even number square series, then odd number square series, then triangular number series, even number square plus 1 series. Okay, and then minus 1 series. Okay, so here are the some examples that we see. These are the basic pattern which we have to follow and identify in the given examples. So first you note down these patterns in your notebook, intelligence notebook. Okay.